Staring at a blank screen trying to write your first email newsletter? Beginners often freeze because they don't know what to say. Writing your first email can feel stressful, but AI makes it much easier. I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause here if you want to copy it. In moments, you have a polished welcome email that connects with subscribers, shares your story, and sets the tone for your newsletter. It is a fast way to get started without worrying about writer's block. But one email alone won't grow your business. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to use AI to build simple email systems that nurture your audience, drive engagement, and even make sales. It is delivered in 5 beginner-friendly episodes so you can create a functional system step by step without feeling overwhelmed. You also get bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database to speed up content creation and the AI strategy call to review your email system, all included. Stop stressing over your first newsletter. Let AI handle the writing in minutes. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to turn emails into a real business system, all for just $17. Hit the link in the description to get started today.